Hey y'all, welcome back to the homestead. Look around. Can you believe this winter wonderland? Winter might seem like the off-season, but it's the perfect time to tackle projects, plan for the future, and savor the slower pace. So, grab a mug of something warm and cozy, settle in, and let's get started. First things first, let's talk about being prepared. Start with the essentials. Firewood, of course. Make sure you've got a good supply, stacked and seasoned. Check on your animal feed and extra bedding to keep them warm. Inside the house, stock up on pantry staples. Flour, sugar, beans, rice, those comforting ingredients that make hearty winter meals. Remember, being prepared isn't about being fearful. It's about having peace of mind and enjoying the season without worry. Now's the time to show your tools and equipment some love. Winter offers a slower pace, perfect for catching up on maintenance tasks. Sharpen those tools, axes, shovels, pruning shears. It makes such a difference. Inspect your fencing, repair any broken gates or loose posts. Winter is the perfect time to give your tractor a tune-up, clean and oil your gardening tools. You'll be amazed at how good it feels to start the next season with everything in tip-top shape. There's something magical about flipping through seed catalogs by the fire, dreaming of lush gardens and bountiful harvests. Start by looking back. What grew well last year? What didn't quite thrive? This helps you understand your soil and climate. Sketch out your garden layout. Will you expand your beds? Try a new companion planting method. And don't forget to order those seeds early. It's always best to be prepared. Our animals are part of the family, and just like us, they need a little extra care during the colder months. Make sure their shelters are draft-free, dry, and have plenty of fresh bedding. Ensure your animals have access to fresh, unfrozen water throughout the day. A heated water bucket is a lifesaver. Spend time with your animals. Those daily interactions keep them happy and healthy and strengthen that special bond you share. As the year winds down and the snow falls, it's a beautiful time to reflect on your homesteading journey. Grab a journal and jot down your thoughts. What brought you joy on the homestead this year? What lessons did you learn? Celebrate those victories, big and small. Now think about the future. What are your goals for the coming year? Write down those goals, break them into smaller steps, and watch as they slowly but surely become a reality. So there you have it, the top 5 things every homesteader should do in the winter. Stock up, repair, plan, care, and reflect. Winter might be slower, but it's just as important as any other season. It's a time to recharge, prepare, and dream big for the year ahead. Thanks for spending some time with me today, y'all. Stay warm, stay cozy, and I'll see you back here soon for more homestead adventures.